honest with yourself is the highest form of self-respect. If you are not feeling something, don't do it. Meaning is, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये काम गलत है, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, तो कभी भी ना करो. Don't do. अगर बिना पसंद किए हुए भी बिना पसंद के कोई काम करते हैं तो हम खुद को छोटा बनाते हैं. We not respect ourselves. So meaning of this thought is self-respect is the most important thing of a human life. Now story, the name of the story is Porus and Alexander. Long time ago, there lived a powerful young king called Alexander in Macedonia, Greece. Children, Greece is very old civilization. आपने सुना होगा Greek. Greece के लोगों को, the people of Greece called Greek. Greek is like our Indian civilization. It is very old. At the age of 26, he had an army of around 30,000 men. When he was only 26, जब Alexander सिर्फ 26 years का था, when he was only 26 years old, that time उसके पास 30,000 लोगों की आर्मी थी. He was so powerful. He dreamed of conquering the entire world. So he thought that I will win the whole world. Now I will, no, you will not. I'm starting. So when he has 30,000, you think इतना बड़ा soldier था उसके पास. So he thought to conquer the entire world. उसने क्या सोचा कि now I will win whole world. After conquering Syria, Palestine, Egypt, Persia in 326 BC, it is old than any civilization. It is very old story. तो सबसे पहले उसने क्या किया, वो आधे से ज्यादा वर्ल्ड को जीत लिया. उसने कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज जीती? सीरिया, फिलिस्तीन, इजिप्ट, पर्शिया. He crossed the Hindu Kush mountain. Children, हिमालय माउंटेन को उस वक्त हिंदू कुश कहा जाता था. तो हिंदू कुश माउंटेन एंड एंटर्ड पंजाब. फ्रॉम हिंदू कुश माउंटेन को पार करके वो कहा, इंडिया में कहा एंटर हुआ? पंजाब में. He entered in Punjab. After entering Hindu Kush, he found out that there were two powerful kings at that time, Ambhi and Porus. In the Punjab, there is, in Hindu Kush near Punjab, there is two strong kings. What is the name of the kings? Ambhi and Porus. So, Ambhi was the king of Takshashila. He welcomed Alexander with open arms and entered into an alliance with him without any fight. What Ambhi done? He was afraid from Alexander. Ambhi जो था वो तक्षशिला का राजा था. He was the king of Takshashila and he welcomed. He not fight. He was so afraid that he not fight with Alexander. और उसने ऐसे ही हथियार रख दिया और एक alliance बना लिया. Children, hear the spelling alliance. Meaning of alliance means partnership. उसने partnership कर लिया Alexander के साथ. He even offered 5,000 soldiers as a gift to Alexander. उल्टा उसने 5,000 soldiers gift में दे दिया Alexander को. Alexander's confidence and self-esteem now knew no bound. अब तो Alexander का confidence और भी बढ़ गया. He sent a message to Porus too. Come and meet me at Takshashila to hand over your kingdom to me. What message is sent to Porus? उसको अब पोरस को ही जीतना बाकी था. अब उसको सिर्फ किसको जीतना था? पोरस को. तो उसने he write a letter to Porus. He write a letter to Porus that you come in Takshashila and give your kingdom to me. Porus was a brave king. He replied to Alexander's message, I will definitely come to meet you, but not at Takshashila. Let's meet outside my kingdom without our armies and decide who would head my kingdom. He said that you come and I will come. We will both meet without soldiers, and then we will decide what to do. Like a king, I will not give you my kingdom. So, hearing this, Alexander was very furious. Furious मतलब बहुत ही गुस्सा हो जाना. Is very very angry. He had never anticipated any king to be so brave as to openly challenge him. Not any king challenged him till date. Everyone was so afraid from Alexander's power that they give everything without fight. So it is make him very angry. Both the armies marched forward and meet near river Jhelum. So children, when he said no, I will not give my entire kingdom to you, that Alexander said that, oh, what? Then we will fight. We will give to a war. Both the armies march forward and meet near river Jhelum. Porus' army was camped on the right of the Jhelum and Alexander's at the left. Children, Jhelum जो river है, you can see here the spelling of Jhelum. It is a most biggest river of Punjab. तो उन लोगों की आर्मी कहाँ जमा हुई? झेलम नदी के पार. एंड वेयर पोरस आर्मी वाज कैंप्ड ऑन राइट ऑफ द झेलम. झेलम नदी के राइट साइड में पोरस ने अपना कैंप लगाया आर्मी का, और अलेक्जेंडर रेस्ट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. रिवर झेलम वाज फ्लोडेड विद वाटर फ्लोइंग टुवर्ड्स द राइट. और रिवर झेलम का जो पानी था वो राइट की तरफ बह रहा था. एट नाइट Alexander and his men marched upstream and crossed the river easily, because वो right side के तरफ जाना था उनको, तो पानी भी right side की तरफ बह रहा था. तो it is easy for them to cross the river because उनको पानी का बहाव क्रॉस नहीं करना था. तो इन द नाइट, चुपके रात को उनकी पूरी सेना ने क्या किया? They marched past from the river and crossed the river. They suddenly attacked Porus and his army. And what they done? They attacked on the Porus army in the night without challenge them, without knowing them, catching them unguarded while they were sleeping. When Porus, the soldiers were sleeping, they hold them because they are sleeping, they are not ready. So all the armies killed by the Alexander's army. Alexander had a huge army consist of chariots, horses, elephants. So Alexander का जो army था वो बहुत powerful था. उनके पास रथ थे. Chariots means, children, you can see the spelling. Chariots meaning is rath. They have lots of rath, horses, elephants. Porus and his men fought bravely for some time, but by the morning could not face the strong army of Alexander and were defeated. Because they were sleeping, they are not ready, they are soldiers killed, so they fought very bravely, but they हार गए against the strong army of Alexander. Finally, Porus was wounded and caught by Alexander. फिर क्या हुआ? Porus was wounded, उसको चोट लग गई. Porus को चोट लग गई और वो अलेक्जेंडर की आर्मी के द्वारा पकड़ा गया. Now what happened? Now he surrendered and was brought in front of Alexander's chain. फिर क्या हुआ? उसको पकड़ के अलेक्जेंडर के पास लाया गया. वो चेन में बंधा हुआ था. पिक्चर में देख सक रहे हो. He was bounded, surrendered by the chain. Alexander looked at him with a triumphant smile and asked. Triumphant का मतलब होता है, meaning of triumphant is winning smile. A smile which come after winning. कुछ जीतने के बाद जो smile आता है. So how shall I treat you now? Now Alexander said, now tell me, मैं तुम्हारे साथ कैसा बर्ताव करूं? Then Porus said, just like one king treats another king, replied Porus. Porus ने क्या बोला? जैसे एक किंग दूसरे किंग के साथ बर्ताव करता है, आपको वैसा ही बर्ताव करना होगा. He was not afraid. Alexander liked Porus' self-respect and courage so much that he ordered his release and immediately gave him back his kingdom. Children, this is the story, real story of Alexander and Porus, because Porus never defeat, so he win the, after lose the battle, he win his kingdom. अब वो लड़ाई हार गया, फिर भी उसने अपना किंगडम वापस ले लिया. What we feel about ourselves is called self-esteem. हम अपने बारे में जो सोचते हैं उसको self-esteem बोलते हैं. It helps us to respect ourselves and make a judgment about our worth. अगर हम अपने बारे में अच्छा सोचेंगे तो हम अच्छा करेंगे. One's respect for oneself and proper acceptance of what we are is called self-respect. We need to respect ourselves first before expecting others to give us respect. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि दूसरे हमें रेस्पेक्ट करें तो सबसे पहले हमें खुद को रेस्पेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. Self-respect is a quality which is extremely important for the dignity, confidence and personality of one individual. People with self-respect have the courage of accepting their mistakes. They exhibit certain toughness, a kind of moral courage, and display their character. A self-respecting person accepts responsibility for one's own life. Such people are always willing to accept risks. Self-respect is a kind of discipline, a habit of a mind that can never fail an individual. It is a kind of ritual which helps us to remember who and what we are. So children, self-respect can be developed by thinking positively about ourselves. How we can grow self-respect? हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोच के. जैसे पोरस ने सोचा, जब वो हार गया तब भी वो अपने बारे में, he was always feel good about himself and he never disrespect himself. Because of that reason, Alexander was also respect him. So if you want to be respected by anyone, you have to respect others. This is the main story. और एक बात मैं इस स्टोरी के बारे में आपको बताऊंगी. When जब वो झेलम, जब war शुरू हुई, when the war started, that time there was झेलम के पास राइट और लेफ्ट में उन्होंने सोल्जर खड़ा किए थे. ओके, पर वो जो झेलम नदी थी बहुत बड़ी थी, तो उनके जो भाई थे अंभी जो थे, जो अलेक्जेंडर से डर गए थे, उन्होंने क्या किया था, व्हाट ही डन, ही मेड अ ब्रिज फॉर अलेक्जेंडर. उन्होंने क्या किया, एक ब्रिज बना दिया झेलम नदी के ऊपर रातों रात अलेक्जेंडर को हेल्प करने के लिए. उसने अपने भाई के साथ बिट्रे किया, वो उसके ब्रदर, कजिन ब्रदर था, उसके साथ बिट्रे किया और अलेक्जेंडर के लिए एक ब्रिज बना दिया. सो इट इज इजी फॉर अलेक्जेंडर टू रीच टू पोरस. ये हिस्ट्री में लिखी हुई है. जब आप थोड़े बड़े हो जाएंगे, व्हेन यू विल रीड हिस्ट्री, दैट टाइम यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स वेरी closely and nicely, that these things happen in our history. This is the story from the history. Now each question has 3 options. Children have to write correct option number in chat box. आपको सिर्फ जो क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूंगी उसके 3 ऑप्शन होंगे. All the questions have 3 right options or 3 options. From the 3 options, one is right. You have to write the option number 1. Children can show fingers for correct answers also. अगर आप लिख नहीं पा रहे हो तो अगर पहला आंसर ऑप्शन सही है तो नंबर 1 दिखाना है. ऐसे कैसे मैं दिखा रही हूँ. अगर 2 सही है तो 2 दिखाना है, अगर 3 सही है तो 3, because I can see you. Okay, 2. Right answer is 2. He was a king. Thank you so much. Pankti Bhatt is showing me 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Where was he lives? Where was he lives? Alexander कहाँ रहता था?
Greece.
Alexander lives in Greece. You are in Greece. India. Okay, next question. What is the next question? Which state Alexander entered in India? From which state Alexander entered in India? Yes, Sheila Parmar, you did showing me. Right answer. Sheila Rahman is the right answer. Next option is, yeah, where was he lives? Where was he lives? Who? किसके बारे में हमने पूछा? From whom I asked? From which state Alexander entered in India? पंजाब हो गया. Now where was he lives? आने के बाद वो कहाँ पर था? Which river was near the battlefield? Which river is near the battlefield? Yeah, tell me which river. 2. झेलम. पंजाब में झेलम नदी है और उसी नदी के पास उनका बैटलफील्ड था. वॉर फील्ड वाज नियर द झेलम रिवर. राइट? अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? या यू आर राइटिंग नंबर 2 झेलम. याद रखना वॉर किसने जीता? कंफ्यूज? Children, the right answer is yes, Alexander. 1 number. Yeah, आप अगर चैट बॉक्स में लिखोगे तो भी मुझे दिखेगा और अगर आप
Alexander
शो करोगे तो भी दिखेगा वीडियो में. राइट? What is the meaning of self-esteem? अच्छे से 3 words. Then we will start another quiz. When you finish writing, thumbs up.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we will start. Don't speak. Then we will start another quiz. You have to put your thumb down. If I speak right, you have to put your thumbs up. If I speak wrong, you have to put your thumbs down. Correct me if I am wrong. If I speak right, you have to put your thumbs up. If I speak wrong, you have to put your thumbs down. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Okay? Alexander come from Eiffel Tower to India. Is it right? Don't write anything in chat box. Children, don't write anything in chat box. Stop writing. So I can see you. Very good. Yes, I am wrong. Actually, I am wrong. Don't write anything in chat box. Manav, Angel, Shelby, don't write in chat box. Asma, don't write in chat box. Children, this is wrong. Alexander Eiffel Tower क्रॉस करके नहीं आया था. वो हिंदू कुश को क्रॉस करके आया था. He comes to cross Hindu Kush mountain. Okay. Now tell me, Alexander, ये मैंने पहले भी पूछा है. Alexander lived in Greece. Very good. Very good. Sumedha Gazar, you given right answer. Very good.
Ma'am, thumb up.
Thumbs up. I can see. Priyanshi, no.
Thumbs up.
Ma'am, thumbs up.
He came from Greece. Priyanshi, you thumbs down किया है.
Ma'am,
No,
thumbs up.
Oh, very good. Very
Ma'am,
clever.
thumbs up.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, thumbs up. Ma'am, thumbs up. Ma'am, thumbs up.
Now,
Ma'am, thumbs up.
yeah, I can see.
Thumbs up.
Don't speak. I can see. Okay. Now,
Thumbs up.